What's up everyone? We are gonna go ahead and do a video that wasn't originally planned, but decided that maybe it'll be insightful, and then also just kind of give you a look at what I am packing while on prep. So I am from the West Coast. I'm going to be visiting the East Coast for the second time ever, and there's a little bit more that I need to pack that I wouldn't normally pack if I wasn't on prep. Some of these things I have brought with me in the past, but just kind of want to give you the full scoop, full rundown. Of course, I have my luggage packed with clothes and makeup, toiletries, and all that stuff, but this is specific to prep and just overall fitness too. So let's start with, okay, what better way to start with prep than with posing shoes? So I do plan on practicing my posing because I honestly think that is the hardest part when it comes to prepping for a show. I just do not find the movements like natural really, so I need a lot of practice with just heels and like arm movements and stuff like that and whatnot. So we gotta get the heels, gotta practice every single day. I try to aim for 15 to 30 minutes just depending on the time. And then next we have, I would be bringing this anyway, but water. Water is so important, so important. This is a 40-ounce water bottle, and I plan on drinking about 3 of these a day, especially because it's going to be so hot. I'm going to be outside, it's going to be humid, so I definitely want to make sure I'm replenishing with a lot of water and staying hydrated. And then this is like a sports bra and a bathing suit, and this is what I had my first check-in pictures with. And so every Friday I send my coach check-in pictures and an updated weigh-in and all of this stuff, right? And I try to wear the same outfit because it really keeps it consistent compared to, you know, different waist bottoms and different tops and stuff. So this is like my posing outfit when it comes to my check-ins, which is going to be on Friday, and which will be tomorrow, and then Friday before we come back as well. And then I would probably bring these anyway if I wasn't on prep. Probably not actually. So these are for glute kickbacks. They are from Amazon. They strap to your ankle. They are so good. I love them. If you want to know the brand, it's by FitTech Smart Gear. They're really affordable, and they don't take up that much space. So I'm like, you know what? If we go to the gym and there's a cable machine, I can do my glute kickback. So I'm like, I might as well just bring them. Then we have some high volume. This is a non-stim pre-workout that I have and that I will most likely be taking in the mornings when I plan on getting in my workouts. It's by PE Science, and so I've just had this one. It's caffeine free, and it just kind of helps with that focus and kind of getting into the workout zone. And then next, I would probably bring some of this stuff, but I know I'm going to go grocery shopping when I get there. So this is more so just for like the airport and just kind of something to have on hand as well. So we have almonds, we have some rice cake packs. I don't even know if I'm going to for sure eat these, but just to have them is nice. Just a nice option to have. And then I got some of these at grocery outlet. If you can see what it says, it's 7 Select Wild Tuna Meal Kit. It has spicy tuna, it has 5 crackers and a spoon, and it has 25 grams of protein in this. So I'm bringing a couple of these just in case. I definitely have to hit my protein, and they're just pretty small and really convenient. And the macros for this total, including the crackers, is 8 fat, 13 carb, 3 sugar, and 25 protein. So even if I don't eat these on the trip, I can just always bring them back. And then honestly, I was not really good about taking vitamins necessarily before prep, but I have been in my zone. So I have magnesium, I have my vitamin B12, or no, vitamin B complex, I have my vitamin D as well, and then I have my fish oil. So I planned out how many I'd have per day, and I packed these all separately. I should get one of those like containers, but I didn't have one, so plastic baggies will do. Okay, and then in the past, I have brought my food scale to weigh food on vacations, and then some vacations I haven't brought my food scale. It really depends on kind of what my goals are, how long the vacation is, and just kind of where I'm at in my fitness journey. I would say the last few vacations I've taken, I haven't brought my food scale because I really didn't care, and I just kind of monitored and ate intuitively or loosely tracked as well. But this trip, we have to bring the food scale, and I pretty much have to weigh every single thing that I'm eating, because every gram, every ounce, everything is going to add up. I'm honestly probably going to be that person too, where if we do go out to eat, I'm either going to bring my own food, or if I can't have something on that menu and they have the calories and nutrition available, then I will just weigh it out. So example, like chicken and rice, and then I'll probably bring my food scale and weigh it out, because we got goals, okay? We got extreme goals. This is extreme, so we got to do the extreme. And yeah, I have had this food scale since my first year of college. My friend gave me it. She didn't really use it, so she gave me it. That's kind of when I started tracking macros, in like late 2015, maybe early 2016, kind of in that time frame. And I don't even know if I've changed the batteries in this, and if I have, maybe it was once, but this thing has lasted so long, okay? So it's definitely worth the investment. You can get a good one of these for 10, 20 bucks on Amazon, Target, Walmart, pretty much anywhere, and they last forever, or at least they should. And then we just have two more things. So the last two things are my AirPods. I would be bringing this on vacation anyway, just for when I work out, and I feel like it's just always good to have headphones with you. So I'm going to be bringing these, have them all charged up, ready to go. And last but not least, I would not be bringing this if it wasn't for me being on prep, because I just don't really care that much about the number on the scale. So I actually just got this in yesterday, and my other one just said E, and I've had it for maybe like 2 years or so. I honestly thought it would last longer, but it's just new batteries and it's just like a no-go. So anyway, ordered this off of Amazon and have that. So I am packing my scale and I am weighing myself regularly. Off season, unless I have like a really like set goal, I don't really weigh myself. I just go more based off how I look and how I feel. But anyway, bringing the scale, gonna put that in the bathroom, on the bathroom floor, and that's pretty much it. That's everything extra that I would be bringing because I'm on prep, or what I need for just overall fitness in general. I will be doing a grocery mini haul, basically on the food that I'm going to be getting. It's going to be very similar to the food that I'm eating here. We're going to go to like maybe a Walmart or a Costco or whatever grocery store is kind of nearby. So I'll definitely show y'all what I get then. And yeah, so first time traveling while on prep. I'm a little nervous, but at the same time I'm excited, and I'm just not really gonna be food focused. When I'm on prep, I take the emotion out of food. So, you know, people really like food and the taste, and that's normal, right? That's how it should be, you know, like eat something sweet for dessert and it just tastes yummy and it makes you happy. When it comes to prep, and if I'm eating the same thing over and over again and it's just kind of more bland and just very simple, like chicken and rice, like maybe once or twice a day, every single day, I just take the emotion out of it. Like I just think this is food that is going to help me reach my goal, and I'll have all the rest of the food in the world to eat after the show, of course, in moderation. And so I'm really not going to be food focused on this trip and trying to think about everything I can't have, but more so just focusing on the people that I'm with and the scenery around me and just the trip in general. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions about, you know, traveling and staying on track, because that's what this trip is going to be all about. And I'll see you in the next one.